Stat 375, doing a new blaster box break of 2018-2019 O-Pee-Chee hockey. We did Upper Deck hockey, now we're doing O-Pee-Chee, or Upper Deck MVP. Trying to get, of course, Ryan Donato rookies from the Boston Bruins. We'll see if we're lucky. It's all it pretty much says, and there's a bonus pack. Oh, these are by Upper Deck. I didn't know O-Pee-Chee was done by Upper Deck. I thought O-Pee-Chee was like a division of Tops. I guess for hockey now, Upper Deck took it over, maybe. That's weird. Okay, let's cut into this blaster box and see how we do. It looks like you get one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 packs plus the bonus pack. Let's see how we do here. Oh wow, these cards feel like the old-fashioned cards. They don't feel like modern Upper Deck cards. They're like cardboard. So they're like a cheaper. What is up with these beards in hockey? Joe Thornton had that same beard. Looks terrible. Brent Burns. That's funny. I went to high school with a kid named Brent Burns. Where is this guy from? Does it say? Come on. Oh, focus here. What the hell? Guess he's from Ontario. It's definitely not the guy from my high school. And we got a rookie here, marquee rookie. I don't know why the focus is so terrible. Travis Dermott from the Maple Leafs. And we got one of those black border blaster box exclusives. I am not understanding why the focus is so bad on this. But it's Braden Shen. Tyler Seguin, All-Star. Ted Shines, Brad Marchand, All-Star. Not really a huge fan of these cards because of how, well, I mean, it's cool. They're kind of like retro, like old-fashioned O-Pee-Chees. Being like cardboardish and not really glossy. Like your typical Prism or, you know, chrome type card. Chris Kreider. A lot of all-stars in these packs. Like more rookies. It's like some kind of excerpt. Must be like a throwback from an old-fashioned O-Pee-Chee card. Alright, let's see how we do in the next pack. League leaders. Hello, All-Star. Not too many rookies in these blaster boxes. Marquee rookie. Joe Hickett's. Vegas Golden Knights. This is like some kind of excerpt for short print, I guess. So I'll take that aside. Another marquee rookie. Can't get a rain Donato, can I? I don't know how I'm feeling about these so far. Not a huge fan. Black border card. Wayne Simmons. It's two so far from this blaster box. So many All-Stars. Another All-Star. Oh, looks like I might have a rookie in here. Hopefully it's Ryan Donato. Damn it. All rookies are good, but you never know if they're going to turn out good, so no complaints on getting a rookie. Just wish it was Donato. That's all. Looks like another short print card. And a white border. It's so hard to see. It's Braden Holtby. Alright. Last pack of the box. Got a rookie in here. One last chance at Ryan Donato. checklist. God damn it. Oh well. Another all-star. No, we tried, guys. We tried. I got one of the blaster box of these, so maybe we'll get lucky in that one. Next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe. I always appreciate your support on the channel, whether it be for cards or statues. Have a great evening, and thank you for watching.